Hey guys, welcome back to the interview. I'm XX Team and Tristan here, and today we are playing some more Roblox. And yes, today I'm gonna be double uploading for all the weeks I've missed of not uploading. I'm sorry. I think one of my friends is on here. Yes, he is. So today I'm actually been doing a lot of stuff today in my car. So B-Stoof is my friend. Look at mine. So guys, you may think just how to get the Lamborghini Hurricane. Or whatever it's called. Well, I'll show you later in the video, but today I need to try to buy the the McLaren. Apparently the McLaren's fast in this game. And I like fast. Like, the Lamborghini is fast, I'm gonna admit that. Thank you. Let's try. So, anyways, I did buy the Lamborghini Hurricane, and I do have a boat, I think. So, I don't have any utility vehicles or any air vehicles. I don't have any favorites. So today's plan is we need to buy the McLaren. Basically, we need to buy this McLaren. And I'm not gonna waste my Robux on money in this game. By the way, guys, if you join my group, I will give you Robux. Just like I will do a payout. So I have been on Roblox. Like, if you follow me, join my game, and we can play together. I don't usually accept my friend requests often because of what happened in my other account or other people's accounts. So people, it was the one time a bunch of hackers sent me friend requests on my accounts, and it was pretty much scary. I forgot. I think that like their names were like their avatars look weird and their names are weird too. I don't know. It was like last year, I think, maybe 2 years ago. I don't know. I forget. Oh, I'm having a bit of lag. For you guys, you might be seeing like me having like 1 frame per second. To be honest, for me. It's not even 1 frame per second. It's literally like, for me it's not like, it's a bit laggy, but it's not like too laggy. So, I mean, today I might even triple upload. By triple uploading, I might not even do a gaming video. Basically, the whole channel is around gaming. I might do like a little vlogging, like me like doing a challenge, because I do got a challenge set up for today. So, I mean, we'll see what happens. I think my mom just bought me and my mom, not my mom. Oh yeah, me and my mom today bought me a camera. And I think it's here, so I'm gonna charge it. And if it doesn't charge fast, just grab my, GoPro. Now record. And you also might be thinking, Tristan, why don't you upload a lot? Why didn't you upload on your schedule? The reason is because I've been busy catching up. Yes, I do have school. I'm in grade 5. Moving on to grade 6 very shortly. Well, not very shortly, but I am in grade 5. I have homework. Let's just say that. And it takes me a long time to do my homework because I'm a slow I'm a slow handwriter. I don't write fast. Like, I write fast on here, like, oh, I'm just supposed it wrong. Like, I am a fast writer. For you, like, on this video, I'll probably be slow, but I mean. So, I'm gonna show you how much, oh, I don't want the Ferrari. I want the Ferrari, yes I do, but. So, if you just go in here and you click that, you go up here, this is where we buy the Lamborghini Hurricane. I don't know what it's called. I'm calling it a hurricane because it looks like a gosh darn hurricane. Oh, I'm not funny. This is what we need. We need $10,000 more. We could buy this hunk. I want no. Great value for such a great. Okay, that's good to know. No, what I haven't tested out yet was I've never tested out all these vehicles. I want to get when I get like when I get my when I get a Roblox gift card, I want to buy. I want to like $25 one. I want to buy yeah, because a $25 gift card gives you like 2,000 Robux, and I spend half of it on here, and I'll have like maybe a couple hundred Robux left, and I'll have 3 mil. Then I can buy the Pagani's. I hardly know anything about cars, guys, so don't blame me. If you're a car fan, then you probably know what that name is. I hardly even know some of the car names. I know that there's like Chevys and Bugattis and all the newer cars, but I mean, I don't know a lot about cars. Like when I was younger, I still till this day I have a big huge bin of toy cars because when I was little, every time me and my mom went to the dollar store, I wouldn't like buy like games because because when I was little I didn't even know what games are. I thought they're like something that will control your mind. I actually thought that when I was little. But yeah, I used to grab like little dinky cars. I used to like when I got home, I would ask my dad if he would play with me. We would play. We would like go. I would go like. I'm such a terrible YouTuber. Subscribe and like! I have 0 subscribers! Oof. And if I'm like right now, I'm kind of bad because like right now I'm like wearing jewelry. So I mean, look at this neighbor. It's neon. It's nice. Ooh, I think this guy's AFK. No, he's not. Never mind. He's not AFK. Definitely not AFK. He's probably gonna win. Well, it's sad. My Dodge Viper is faster than the Lamborghini Huracan. I don't know what it's called. I'm gonna call it the Hurricane because I don't know what it's called. Like I said, I don't know anything about cars. I'm gonna buy the McLaren. I'm not a bit fast. Come on. A bit faster. Come on. Yes, baby. That's so wrong. I don't care. Let's grab me a Dodge Viper. It's actually faster than my Lamborghini. Comment down below hashtag. I don't know. Just comment down below hashtag. I need to go to the supercar dealership. I'm sorry I haven't been like uploading. Like I said, I'm sorry I haven't been uploading in a while. So I mean, you know, that's why I'm making this double upload. I'm sort of sad and I don't know what to say. Or I could save up for the 4GT, but the McLaren's faster, I think. But once I buy the McLaren, I have to spend a lot of money on like maxing out its engine. And that's when the point where I might have to buy money. Oh my god! I have the game for me in this game. I have like loading issues. So like, can I see? Okay, I can see. Thank you. I like it more when it's daytime. Oh, going on without me? Copy your team manager on my group app. They could be in the description. I want to see if I try to make a thumbnail. Thumbnail. I want to see if I can make a thumbnail for this. Oh, someone's up there. So thumbnail for this video, and if not, like, don't be disappointed because I'm not gonna make a thumbnail. Can you go up? Thank you. Thank you. Go up. Faster than the speed of sound. I bought that. Here, let's just do this cinematic. Do 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 do. Do 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 do. Do 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 do. I don't know. I can't copyright. No, I actually haven't got any copyright strikes. I mean, I'm happy. Guys, we have just bought the McLaren. Can you purchase 2 vehicles? Ooh, yeah, boy. No, okay, good. So I spent $350,000. So I'll just get my McLaren. I actually want to see how fast it is. To be honest, I've never tested the McLaren. So I'm totally new to the McLaren. McLaren. Oh my god, it looks so beautiful. It's acceleration not that good, but it is fast. The brakings aren't that good either. But I mean, it's still a good car. It's a McLaren. Looks nice. It's just glitching. Please don't glitch. I need like to max your engine out. So I mean, like at least. No, I'm gonna wait till I have. I don't know. And I don't want to spend my Roblox on cash, but I just may have to. No, I can't do this. I can't take it anymore. Store. 8 Robux. Oh, I have 21 Robux. Oh, yep, I did it. So, I mean, hey, I can get rocket fuel. So, I mean, I should probably save up to get some other stuff. But for now, we'll have the max out its engine. 1,000. Oh, I wish I could undo that. Oh wait, no. Wait, give me a second. Let's go to here. I need to edit my car. Ooh, okay. Primary color. Should we do a camo? Yeah. What? Neon. That's better. That looks nice. Who had McLaren? Oh, level 5 engine. It's fast. We got. Okay. Yeah, it's fast. I want to see how high I can go. Oh my god. Popping. Well, that's gonna be the video, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this little video, and I'll see you guys in the next one.